Hi A.T.L.A.S friends, welcome back. It is February already. I can't believe it. So a new month means a completely new theme. And by now, your grown-up has probably picked up your new February A.T.L.A.S bag. So take a look. What do you think the theme is? It says right there, magic. So we have two new projects in this bag. We'll unbag it together, go over everything, and this video will cover one of the tricks today. All right, so inside our bag, we have all of our paperwork, shows what we're going to be doing for the month. There are 3 different sheets, 3 different experiments or magic tricks. We also have the Flat Miss Courtney. It shows, again, when the A.T.L.A.S videos will drop on YouTube, February 4th and February 18th at 4:15 p.m. So these videos that you watch are every other Thursday. We also have a new button for the month, and it is magic. So again, just a keepsake button. Pretty soon we'll have a bonus project where you can make your own pennant to collect all of your buttons. And then there's only 2 bags, baggies inside of this big magic bag this month. So the first one is just a pencil, toothpick, popsicle stick, and a sugar cube. This one we're going to save for our video in 2 weeks. Today is just this baggie of baking soda. Okay, so we'll set those aside, and the first magic trick, so to speak of, that we're going to be working on today is magic snow. All right, so if you look outside right now, there's snow and it's a lot of fun, but sometimes it's too cold to play in the snow. Sometimes it's too late and your grown-up maybe doesn't want you to play in the snow. So wouldn't it be fun to bring snow inside that wouldn't melt? That's exactly what we're going to do. It's like magic. So this magic snow is naturally cold, making it the most realistic play snow that there is. It's fluffy and soft, yet moldable, and makes the best snowballs. It's not real snow, but looks and feels like it. It's magic. So included ingredients this month, the baking soda. What you're going to need to provide is a bowl, a spoon or a fork, freezer, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water. All right, so I'll give you a minute to get that stuff together. Okay, to make the magic snow, the first thing you're going to do is put your bag of baking soda in the freezer overnight. Freezing the baking soda isn't really necessary, but it makes the magic snow extra icy and cold. So at this point, I've already put my baking soda in the freezer overnight. All right, so it's nice and cold. After removing the baking soda from the freezer, you're going to pour it into a large bowl. Pour it all in there. Okay, so all we have is the baking soda in there. Now you're going to slowly begin adding 1 tablespoon of cold water. So I just brought a cup in with cold water and I just have my tablespoon. You don't have to measure it, just make sure it's a little bit at a time. The first time I tried this, I added way too much water and then it wasn't snow, it was extra soupy. So I'm going to start with just 1 tablespoon of water. And you'll see that it's in there. And I brought a fork in instead of a spoon to try to make it extra fluffy. So you can see that some of this is already starting to clump. It really begins to become formable, or where you can kind of pack it like packing snow once the water absorbs in the baking soda. So if you can see this here, it's starting to get really good, but I do have a lot of really dry ingredients. So I'm going to add just a little bit more water. If you let it soak, you'll kind of see it absorb and it gets extra fluffy, and actually it gets really thick and packable, and you can see all the fluffy stuff around it. So once again, And you can use your fingers if you'd like. And it's nice, just like snow. Some of it's fluffy, some of it's packable, and depending on how you want your snow, you might want to add a little bit more water or just keep it like this. So if I touch mine right now, it's super icy cold, but I can also pack it too and make some snowballs. I'm going to actually add a tiny bit more water and see if I can get it to pack just a little bit more. All right, so this stuff, what's fun about it and what's magic about it is it will not melt inside. If you brought the snow in from outside, give it a couple minutes and it's going to be completely melted and you won't be able to have any fun with it. This looks and feels just like snow, but it's not going to melt at all. All right, so I added a tiny bit more water and I am put a ton in my hand and I am pushing it together and packing it. And look at this. I have a snowball that will not melt. It's like magic. So go ahead, you can play with your snow, you can pack it, you can build something like a snowman, you can build snowballs, just have a lot of fun with it. It stays nice and cold for quite a few hours, so it will bring lots of fun and enjoyment for you. All right. And I would love to see any pictures of things that you build or you having fun in the snow inside your house. All right, so look what I've got here, a snowman with our magic snow. All right, it's magic. Wasn't that fun making the magic snow inside your house? It's fun, it's cold, it's moldable, you can build stuff. I hope you had a lot of fun. I will see you in 2 weeks to make 2 magic tricks. So I'm going to completely teach you how to do 2 different magic tricks for your friends and family. All right, bye guys.